There's the 1800 pressure washer, electric, with a beautiful green and black color. Really nice, top of the line quality hose. Nice long extension with a safety GFCI, and you got a nozzle which go high and low. You got a optional soap dispenser and a really nice card. I'm gonna put this to the test. We're gonna be washing the truck to show you guys how this bad boy is working. The extension cord is really long. Everything is set up nice. It's small, it's lightweight. If you want to do your back patio, your fence, driveway, we're gonna switch it on. Easy switch right here, on and off. That's it. And now this is our pressure right here, her adjustment. So if you turn it, it adjusts the pressure. Wow! So you see that? So it's like a foam, and then as you turn it, it gets smaller. Increase the wow! Holy smoke, you guys get to see this. Look how far it shoots. Now, I would not advise this on the car yet. I would go with lighter pressure to the car. If you're gonna be doing a back patio, or you're gonna do some kind of stain, then you will put on the high pressure. And these things are easy to remove. You just press this, you press this out. Everything is easy to control and lock, and you got a safety lock right here too. Made nice. It's good. The price is cheap. Everything is cheap. Let's wash this car up. We could put soap to unfill it. If you see that, save time, save money. And this thing is waterproof, obviously, because of pressure washer. Has to be waterproof. But I like the little green color. Pretty neat. Stop going to a car dealership to wash your car and spend $40, $50. Save money, baby. Look at that. Within minutes, you got a brand new car, truck, boat, whatever you want to wash. We're going to turn up the stuff on the ground right now. I'm going to show you guys. Let's do it. Look at that. Whoa! Definitely do not put the power one on your car. It's powerful. You don't want to get it scratched and then you blame me over your product zone. But look at that. Clean. Look at that. Cleaning it so easy. This thing they've been washed for years. Stop paying the pressure washing guys. Do it yourself, baby. Overall, it's really good. It's not that noisy. It's easy to squeeze. I love it. I got no complaints. Check in the description box for price and details and get your hand on a nice budget, cheap, simple, lightweight electric pressure washer. You could pressure wash a lot of stuff